welcome to the channel. So I'm in the process of doing Tolani's hair, and I thought about a question that I get asked so often, especially when we do cornrows and flat twist. One question is, how do I get the hair to not get so frizzy, especially the next day, and how do I get it to look all neat? And I'm going to show you today what I do. But right now, this is our hair that we've started doing the front. We've already completed the back, and as you can see, this is the design that we did to the back. It's a very simple design where two are coming down like that and the rest is coming down, and it cascades down into simple rope twist, and that's how the style is. I find that when the hair is not well moisturized, you can have issues with it. You can have dryness. So just spray your liquid, okay, and then add in your cream. The cream that we're going to be using is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream, and you just want to take that and you do want to apply it generously to the hair. You apply it to the base of the hair first, and then you walk it through the length. If you do need to get some more, you get some more and you apply it to the ends and through the length of the hair. At this time, what I now do is I always comb the product through the hair. So just get your white tooth comb and or your hair brush or whatever, and just comb the product through the hair. Okay, so once this is done, this other step, some people don't do it, but I find that when I do this, it actually makes the style look more slick and more put together. I use a gel. You can use an homemade gel, flaxseed gel, but I use the Style Factor Edge Booster in the fitting gel. Information about all the products that I'm using you can find in the description area. So I take some of the gel like this, and then I'm going to only be applying it to the base of the hair. So just down below right here, just apply a little bit, not too much, and make sure whatever gel you're using is going to be a gel that doesn't flake. So when I apply it to this section of the hair, and then I also apply it to the other section of the hair. And I use my comb and I brush it in. If you don't have a comb like this, you can also use the comb for laying your edges, and you can use that like to brush it in like that. Okay, so you brush it in on this side, and then you brush it in on the other side. Trust me, when you do this, your hair is gonna be laid, it's gonna be slayed. Now it's time to cornrow the hair. So when you cornrow the hair, you can cornrow, you can flat twist at this time. So you go in small sections. Start off in small sections first and take your time. Don't rush. And when you are doing the hair, don't move too fast. Okay? And don't hold it super tight that it will cause breakage, but you also don't want to do it in such a way that it will be too loose. Okay? So just take it gently and walk your way through the hair. So as you see, the hair looks very neat. So we're getting towards the end of the hair. When we get to the end of the hair, you now have to decide whether you're going to braid the ends or you're going to twist the ends. I like twisting the ends because it makes it easy for me to unravel the hair. So you see how neat that looks. It looks very neat. It has no frizz. You can see there's absolutely no frizziness there, and the hair looks really nice and clean. So this is how we do it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. We will be showing you the final style at the end of this video, so just wait and watch. And if you enjoyed this video, comment down below cornrows. We want you to comment down below cornrows. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video. Bye.